Hi guys, so this video is going to be a review on the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. I'm doing a review on this because I've never actually done a review for a palette before other than the It's My Ray Ray palette, which is one of, and still is one of the best palettes I think of 2018. But I really had stopped using BH Cosmetics because I thought that their palettes were not as pigmented as I wanted them to be, or as pigmented as they should have been. So I'm coming to you guys with a review on this BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. I purchased this palette at my local Ulta makeup store. So it cost me, I think this palette was about 18. This palette was actually $18 at my local Ulta. So I'm going to just show you guys how it looks. These are the colors. I mean, just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You have like some shimmery colors in here. You have some matte shades in here. And you also have like some satin matte, I want to say. But you have so many different beautiful bright colors in here. I definitely used this for an everyday. I actually have this on my eyes as we speak. So yeah, I just want you guys to get like a glimpse. And I did like an inner corner highlight, as well as I used my It's My Ray Ray palette for my highlight and everything. So these are the colors that I used. I used the Regal one, which is this burgundy color here. And then for my inner highlight, I used the color called Crown. And for my crease, I used Prince, which is this eyeshadow here. And I also used my It's My Ray Ray palette. I think the color was Mousse. That's what I used for like this nice sultry burgundy smooth smoky eye. So I will be doing a makeup look on this exact same look. It's so quick, so easy to just show you all. And it is, I gotta say, I'm very impressed by this palette because I've purchased palettes from BH Cosmetics before and they weren't as pigmented. You had to really dig into the color to actually get it on your eyelid. And with this particular palette, I didn't have to do that. So I wore this palette on my face pretty much every single day. My favorite eyeshadow for this palette is the Regal palette. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I swatch it. This is how it looks when I swatch it. Oh my God, do you see the color on that? That is awesome. Like the color payoff is the bomb, and that is a burgundy color. And I am a sucker for like burgundy colors. I love burgundy hair. I love burgundy smoky eye makeup, burnt burgundy. You call it. I am such a burgundy girl. Like my hair is like burgundy. I really, really love burgundy. And so I'm just going to swatch a few colors for you guys just to give you guys a general idea of what you're going to be purchasing. So Crown, which is this color here, I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to go ahead and just swatch that for you guys too. So, oh my God, that is beautiful. Do you see the pigment? And it's still on my finger. That is, the color payoff is bomb. We're also going to be swatching Enchanted. I want you guys to kind of like get that. That is bomb. That's like a dark greenish color, like navy bluish. And we're also going to be swatching the color Monarch. I'm just giving you guys a general idea of what you'll be purchasing with this. It is beautiful. I mean, the color payoff is just so freaking bomb. I can create so many looks with this palette. It's not even funny. I love the fact that it has a mirror. Only because most of the time when you're doing your makeup, you're always in the mirror and you always want to have like a nice little mirror where you can just like do your makeup and stuff and just look in it. But I absolutely love this freaking palette. Like, it is so freaking bomb. I am so impressed. Kudos to you, BH Cosmetics. I love this palette. If I had an option, I definitely would purchase another one of these palettes just in case I ran out. Only because I absolutely love the color payoff of this palette. Is bomb. The only thing is I don't have to, the thing that I love mostly about this palette is that I don't have to dig and dig and dig into the color just to get the color on my eyelids. I can just put it on my eyeshadow brush and then just pack it on, and I mean the color payoff is just, oh my god, as you guys can see, it's just so freaking bomb. It's just awesome, and I just absolutely love this palette. I purchased this palette with my own money. It was a total of 18 bucks. If you have a local Ulta or you online, you can order it, or you can go to bhcosmetics.com and order it. Those are the two websites that you can get it for. I think it's a little bit more cheaper with Ulta because it's 18 bucks. I don't know how much it is on the actual BH Cosmetics site. You guys can check it out. All the details will be below. I'll link different links to this palette, but it is the bomb. If you have not tried it, you need to, girl. It is the bomb. It is perfect for every day. It even has like these everyday shades, like this Prince shade, this Emperor shade, this Empress shade, and then also this Majesty shade. If you look at these like three bomb colors, I recommend using Prince. So it's the bomb. So let me swatch Prince for you guys so you actually can like see how matte this shade is. Like, look, like it's darker in person because of my lighting, but it's just so freaking bomb. Like the color payoff is awesome. So I highly recommend you guys purchase this because it is just such a bomb palette. It's perfect for every day. It's perfect for every night. I mean, it's perfect for every day, and it's perfect for a night out on a town. It's perfect for if you're going to dinner or you're out with your friends and you just want to do a little touch up or something, or you want to do something quick and easy. I highly recommend this Royal Affair palette. And it's just so freaking bomb. I saw Aaliyah J use it and I was impressed. I was like, wow. I was like, that is a bomb palette. So I gave BH Cosmetics a second try with their palettes and I'm so impressed. I don't know what they did, but they did it. Like, this palette is so freaking bomb. So if you're looking to purchase, just check out the details below under this video. Comment which kind of looks you want to look. Comments on what looks you would like to see from me, and I will definitely get it up. I do have a Tamar Braxton look coming up, but I don't know if I should upload it this Saturday or not. I'm not sure, but I really wanted to get some videos up for you guys. So that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in my next video, and make sure that you purchase this palette. It is so bomb. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me with these uploads, and I will see you guys later. Bye.